Today I'll be reviewing this new Holo Glassy Stamper from Creative Shop Stamping. It comes packaged in this box with a holographic logo, a small clue as to what's inside. And inside the box we have the stamper, of course. We also have 2 scrapers, and there's also a useful sheet with instructions on how to use the stamper and tips for perfect stamping. So here's what you get. And here are the instructions. Press pause if you'd like to read them. I'll also put them in the description box below. You also get these 2 scrapers. They're smaller than the usual credit card size ones, but they work perfectly. So here's the stamper. I'll show you the holographic effect in a moment. It's clear plastic, so you can see right through it. It comes with a cap. The stamping head is also clear, and the base is removable too, so you can see exactly where you're stamping onto your nail. You can see my nail perfectly through the stamper from all angles. The head is slightly sticky, so it can pick up images and is of a medium firmness. Now here's the magical bit. If I turn on this small torch, you can see the holo glitter in the stamper head. It's so beautiful and all the colours of the rainbow. But the glitter is so fine it doesn't impair your vision when stamping. Now the most important bit. Let's see how it stamps. I'm starting with 2 images from Creative Shop Plate 82, this tropical flower design, and this stunning hummingbird. Both stamped really well. Now 2 designs from Plate 81, these lemons, and this tiger face image. Now one from Plate 24, this very detailed flower petal print, which is stamped perfectly. And this floral print with larger stamped areas from Plate 99. There's no missing patches at all. Now here's a very detailed image from the Christmas plate number 36. And also this delicate seed head print from Plate 22. I'm also going to stamp using a couple of other brands. Here's Beauty Big Bang Plate BBB XL 16. And lastly, this large image from Clear Jelly Stamper Plate Romantic Rebel. Wow, look at that, that's so detailed. I've cut out all the images to make them look neater and so you can see how well this stamper has transferred the images. All the detailed images have stamped perfectly, as have images with thicker lines and larger stamped areas. All in all, I'm really impressed with this Holo Glassy Stamper. The holo is a nice touch and doesn't inhibit the stamping process. The stamper is totally transparent so you can stamp precisely onto the nail. It picks up images perfectly, and since I received this I've been using it so much. So yes, I'm very impressed with this stamper, and if you'd like to buy one, I'll list some stockists in the description box below. Thanks for watching this review. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials and reviews.